Hey guys, what's up? Now today we are going to learn about the remaining tool on sketch environment, and the remaining tool is about the slot, and the second one is polygon. We have already covered all of the other tools, so let's go and start with slot. First of all, we need a plane to draw, so let's go to sketch, select a front plane, and it is already normal, so we don't need to create it normal. Now first of all, let's create a slot. First of all, let's go and create a straight slot at this rate. You need to click on the one thing, click here, then this is first point, so identify or give the second point, then drag it down how much you want, bigger or smaller. You can later on give the dimensions also as you require. Okay, click on OK. As you see, we have created a slot. I'm creating now. For the dimension, you can click here, you can keep it as much as you want. For example, 80, and this one is radius, so you can decrease or increase the radius. As it is 13.95, I'm making it 15. Look, we have successfully created a straight slot. Now I'm going to remove this. I'm going to create another sketch. Now let's go. This is center point straight slot. You need to identify the center point, and then you need to again give another point, and then our slot is ready. It is as easy as you think, and you can see like this line, you can change dimensions easily. 150. Now let's create another slot, and this slot will be 3-point arc slot. We have already done 3-point arc, so it will be easy for us. Like, we'll identify the 3-point and our slot is ready like this. It is very easy once you do it by yourself. Now this is center point arc slot, same as that. First of all, you need to make one arc circle, and then the circle was made to identify the center point, and then radius, give the arc how much arc you require, and slot is ready. All of the different slot will be useful and different cases, but mostly we'll use this one straight slot. Now I hope you understood with the slot. Now let's go and understand polygon. I'm going to delete this sketch. First of all, I'm going to come out from the sketch environment, and then I'm going to delete this sketch to start polygon. Now again I'm going for a sketch, selecting a front plane, and now going for a polygon. You can see here this is a polygon. I'm going to click here, and first of all make a click here and draw a polygon. Like, you can see a polygon. Now you can see, right click and click on select. You will draw a polygon. You know, right, polygon means it will have a different shapes on different sides, and the number of side matters depending. Like, 5 side is called pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon, depending upon the number of sides. So this, you have drawn this. If you need to change the number of sides, then select this, and here you can see the parameter. To change the number of sides, you can go to sketch. First of all, come out of this sketch environment, then go to sketch, right click on sketch, and then click on edit sketch, so that you can edit the sketch. Like, you can give parameter like, okay, I need this as 50. Okay, and the all side will be equal, so that it will be 50. Now let's draw off another shape. Go here, and parameter, it is saying number of side, it was 6, so let's draw something like 5 pentagon, and you need to specify other things like x coordinate, y coordinate, and okay. First of all click OK, then click here, and you have drawn a pentagon. Easy. Now let's draw decagon. This one, look as easy as it look. You have done already. If you count, you will get a 10 side. And now in the polygon tab only, you will see another. Okay, let's make it as 5. and this one circumscribe circle. If you draw this, then this you can see like this. Look, you can see the difference, right? Here the line was, or the side was tangent of the circle, but here in the circle only, inside the circle the polygon is drawn. You may require this or this depending upon the shape. You can use any of them. I hope you understood with this. Hope you like this, and let's meet in another video. Thank you for watching.